Good morning from Smedsuddsbadet in Kungsholmen, one of the few central beaches in Stockholm. And I am here today on the place where I used to live actually, at that big white building on my first year in Sweden in 2015. So I was living in the 13th floor, and then I had like 3 minutes walk to this wonderful public beach in Stockholm that has huge green area, as you can see, as well as sandy part and a jetty as well. It's overlooking towards the bridge that connects Alvik with Storesingen, and we can see also Långholmen on the other side, island that's located between Kungsholmen and Södermalm. And yeah, it is a wonderful morning. It's only 14 degrees Celsius right now and super sunny without any wind, and it's gonna get quite warmer later today, around 20 degrees Celsius, but I'm gonna be busy throughout the day, so that's why the beach adventure today is again in the morning. And yeah, this is beach number 43 on my Sweden beach adventures. So now let's check out also the temperature in the water, because I haven't measured it yet. So I'm very eager to see what is the actual temperature. And I'm gonna potentially go from the jetty also. But it is quite beautiful early in the morning because there is nobody on the beach. I'm guessing there's gonna be a few more people here later today sunbathing, because it's quite central beach, and it's perfect also for a lunch swim as well for those people that are working in Kungsholmen. Here we have also the jetty. Now let's see where I can measure more correctly. Maybe here by the sun. While I measure, you can enjoy the wonderful view of the surroundings. I can't believe that I was living like only a few minutes away from the beach, but to be fair, in 2015 I wasn't that much fanatic of beach adventures, so I was just doing it sporadically. But it was very nice to just go down from the apartment and take a swim. Okay, let's see, what do we have right now? Okay, it is 8 degrees Celsius, somewhere between 8 and 9. Interesting, because yesterday, was it 9? Was it 10? I don't remember. So it seems that at this part of Lake Mälaren it is 8 degrees currently. So yeah, it's still good. It's still good. Still good. I have been swimming in much worse, to be fair. So this is not the worst conditions, to be fair. So let's then tag along and have a swim in this wonderful Lake Mälaren in central Stockholm on this 22nd of May 2024, beach day number 43. All right, now we have some waves also from the boats passing by. All right, then beach adventures with Chris at Smedsuddsbadet in Kungsholmen, central Stockholm. Let's go! What a wonderful way to start the day this early in the morning at 7 a.m. with this view. It's amazing, indeed. Indeed. All right, then that's a wrap from this morning beach adventure from Smedsuddsbadet in Kungsholmen. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.